in the book. Most mighty and most merciful. So in this video we are going to know HTML in one video. So to know the HTML, I had my code editor, that is the, you can say here, that is my VS Code. You can say the icon or the image of it, the logo of it. You can use any other too. So what I prefer to use, this one. So I am going to download. I had download a theme that is, that is Go Live Server, and I am going to download a theme that will be HTML. So in the next video is going to come of the CSS, and if you had seen my previous video, I had made in the JavaScript. So these three languages are the full. So I am going to click in HTML CSS support. Wait, I'm going to write here theme. Enter. That's not a theme. HTML color theme. I am going to take this one, get to the install, and there are many topics of HTML we are going to learn one by one. So we no hurry. We are not going to skip any chapter. We are going to learn one by one. So we are going to start. You can see the theme is download HTML color theme. I am in my file explorer. You can see I am going to make index.html. That's my file. Control B, put the doc type here. That's called and doc type of HTML. So simply you can write here exclamation mark or write here doc. So they will be on doc type, or write here HTML column 5. So they will be to the doc type. As you can see, after doc type there are two. You can see there are two chapters. The body, where we are going to write the elements, the tags, and the next the head, where we are going to link the things. Here we can link many things. There are two metals and the title, and in here we can add the links. So title name, if I do it like this and put it as an corner, and I am going to open here, and I am going to go live from here. You can see, and that's my workspace. That in Google, you can see. If you are in Firefox, you can use. So I am in Google, so that's mine. I will already now there. That's opening my Go Live. So as you can see, it's on here our live server. So basically, you can see the name of it. That's document. You can see here. So why it's document? So because the title name is document. If I do like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, save it, so there will be HTML and CSS. We are going to learn HTML, so I am going to write here HTML. So HTML, now I am going to tell you the next, the first tag, that are heading tag and plain tag. That these are the seven. H1 is the most biggest heading tag. You can say hello, and there are many more. There are H1 to H6. I will show you. I am not going to write all the one. The video will be more longer. So as you can see, there are total of 6 heading tags. After that, there will be not one. There is H7, there is nothing. So this is the heading tags. There is a plain text. You can say plain text. You can say, if I write here Subhan, so they will be like this. That's not like, you can say that's an plain text. How I am going to show you. I will show you that's a plain text of the scripting. Refresh it. You can write a plain text, save it. There will be the plain text of which the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I am going to finish the plain text. This is the plain text. There is a paragraph that is called para. Here we can write a hello, so that will be the date. I added an hello. Refresh it. There will be hello as a basic, not be bold, not italic. If we have to bold any text, so we are going to write here but B. B is the bold. If I write here this is, and then the tab I to italic, this is the, and then U, this is the content. Save it. Now is you can say that's bold, the is italic and content has underline. Now we are going to anchor tag. Anchor is an A with the have is called the file name. That is index.html and they will be home. So like this, that's and when I click it, so that's my page. So if I come here and give it a target, the target called that where we have to open it in the blank page, in the blank page called new page. If I click home, so we are in the new page. So basically what HTML called I am going to tell you now. HTML is equal to the, this is the introduction of it. HTML is equal to the structure. HTML is the body structure of anything. So HTML is equal to hypertext markup language, and this was the anchor tag. Now we are going to discuss about ID and class. So ID and class are the properties of the HTML tags or element, you can say, any other you can say. If I write here like one anchor tag with the index.html, I write here a class. Class is going to be A, so that will be an A. If I go to the inspect, here go to the console, come at the console. If I call here what? An A. Dot A. Wait, I have to call A only. So there will be an A, that is this one. So that's not showing because that's the, but I have to show you that that's an A. So now if I write here ID, so that is going to show us ID. These are same concept, but ID is used for the JavaScript, and CS class used for the CSS. So I am going to give you the next chapter, that is another one, the marquee. So marquee is a unique thing, you can say. So there is behavior and direction, you can say. We only you we have to use both of these. The behavior will be movement, and then the direction is going to be left. Save it. Now what is your text? I am going to open it like this with the H2A. The A is moving. So if I write here Subhan, and then there is a slash, save it. There is a Subhan moving, and when it's gone, it will be one more like this. It's used like this. There is one more after marquee. There is the image tag. Image used to put the image for the beauty, and alt is the image name. What is the image? The img. Come here, right here, img. img. Left click here, copy image address, and you have to paste in the src. G back. I am going to put it like in the marquee, so you can see that's moving. Like you can see there is an image moving. So that's how can we put image and menu. So now the next I am going to use, that is going to be the next, that will be what, that is the order list and unordered. One more formatting tag, that is del. If I write del in any name like Walmart, so it have the line thought on it. So I am going to use the another one, that the order list and unordered list. UL is called order list. If in UL there will be li. Li is equal to list. The list is first, that will be like T, save it. So you can say there is a list with the dot T. That's unordered list. And now if I write here OL, that's an order list, and Li for the list, that is T again. So that will be 1, 2. You can say if you have to change it, write here type as equal to, what will be the type? Type is, if the type is square, save it. So that is square. If I write like this, save it, wait. This will be the circle, and if I write a word circle, save it, so there will be a circle. So on the OL there will be type 2. If the type is like I, so that will be I, small I, A, there will be a B, so B. So that's how they work. So this was the order and order list. Now unorder list. Now we are going to know the table. Table is the timetable. You can say any other two. So we are going to use table. How table have, you can say, if I write here any word, I am going to write here TR. TR is equal to table row. In TR there will be the TH. TH is called the table head. There will be the name, and there will be name and what, password. Save it, and there will be one more, email. Save it, come here, there is it. There are three. If I need a border, write a border is equal to 1 pixels, I need save it. So there we have the border. If I write a TR one more time, TR is equal to, there will be now TD, the table data. The name will be Suhan. The password will be anything like this, and the email will be like, I am going to say code 2323 and at gmail.com. Save it, come here, there is the password too. So that's how they work. So there is BR and HR tags, like if we have to put it like this in the new line. So right here and BR, so that is in a new line. In one, you can say, in one line you can say, or any other two. So that's how they work. If I duplicate it, save it, so that have good in the space. So if I write a word here and HR, so there will be a line you can see here, or these are use of HR and what, HR and BR. Now I am going to use the next data inputs. So this is the last of it. So if I write it like input, if had the text, if I need the type like range is the volume, you can see that's the volume. So if you don't know, so you will know that that's the range. We can write here many things. That value will be, if I do value 8, so that will be here. If I do it like only 99, the value will be 99, you can. And the value will be like only 50, save it, the volume is 50 now. Now if I write here what, I am going to write here what, minimum. So if minimum is 10 and the maximum is what, the maximum is 30, so this is like this, that is minimum and another. If I write here an input again, I need a name input, text input, so there will be a text. If I need any other two, like we need the text in it, so we are going to use placeholder. If you need placeholder of word, save it, there will be an word name, and there is many more. That at the type there is, if I write a email, so that is email 1. If I do it password, so it's password 1. How I will show you. If I write any text, so that will be hide. If I take another one with the date, so that will be like full of the calendar. Click it, there is it. So like if I write anything and then enter. Not if I write a button, and then there will be what, the type. The type like submit, or I am going to take the submit, save it. If I write anything here, click here, that will be gone. Now that's how they work. They will be the this will be stronger password. That's how they work. You can see here. So this is how they input and button use. So this was the full HTML in one video in you can say with hurriedly work. So if you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon. If you not understand something, so you can comment me below and I will tell you in the next video. So take care. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care. Allah Hafiz.